Okay.
Hey guys, it's Sunday or Wednesday for you if you're watching
right?
this. We're doing a video
on
kind of like a model test to update my portfolio for 2020.
Right. So video is gonna be how to build a small portfolio and maybe renew the portfolio even in your place. Is a small place, like do it yourself,
DIY,
yeah, that's fine. And so we're gonna play with different outfit. We don't know exactly what's the goal. We're gonna figure it out, and because it's free, we don't even have a makeup artist. She's gonna take care of everything. She brought some clothing. She got something new, and then we're gonna provide, which is the best things that usually I like, because you can go run free, playing with the light. I have some vague idea of what kind of light I'm gonna use, but I'm also allowing myself to test and move and change. So stay tuned. There is gonna be for sure a lot of stuff for you interesting to see. We made it. Okay, this is basically what we choose to bring.
And they're all my clothes. So.
Yeah. So I mean, we'll figure it out where it's gonna come. So we have this black on black. I like these pants because they have these knots on the bottom. I love that, guys.
Yeah, they're really cool.
And then we have this cool sweater, and then we can play a little bit with these. Some little accessories. And some leotard, some sweater again, white. We decided to get some white stuff also because the background is gonna be this one, all black. So, I mean, in order to have hair stand out a little bit, we need some white stuff. Yeah, and this is lovely because I like the butterfly. That's so cool.
It's so cute.
Right.
A lot of this stuff is pretty simple just because it's a model test. It's for my portfolio to update it. So I want kind of me to stick out of the shot, not necessarily what I'm wearing. So if you are doing a model test, it's always good to wear something that's a little bit more simple, but that kind of accentuates your own style because it is your portfolio at the end of the day. So.
So basically the idea that I want to try is having this soft, this octabank. I'm gonna put it as high as I can. I can't go too much high, unfortunately, but I'm gonna do something like this. So I'm gonna lead hair from the top, and then I'm gonna have a beauty dish with a fabric to soften up, maybe from the same side or the other. I'll figure it out. As I already said, to hair, basically, let's see how looks this light, let's see if I like. So let's start with something simple, and then if it's gonna work, let's start changing clothing, and then probably I'm gonna change the light just to make things new. What I'm concerned is that when you wanna use a light like this from the top, I swear, nobody told me that I had this black hole under my armpit. I mean, if you are a photographer, you know that it's a successful shooting if your armpit are crying tears of joy. Should be kind of high, very, very high, because consider that she's gonna be as tall like this. This guy probably is gonna be up to here, and I feel like it's too close to hair. So it's gonna be hair blowing up here and then no light at all. So I have to figure it out. Let's see. Otherwise I'm gonna put it aside. Stay tuned, I'll let you know. Okay. Now you should be under this guy.
Like I'm under a mushroom.
Right. But then should we try a couple with this set? See, on the floor, okay? Change the outfit. So basically she's wearing now a white shirt. We wet the hair a little bit, it's cool. Well, actually, after this one, we saw that there was a beautiful sunlight coming through the window from the blinds, so we set up super fast and moved using another light and a set over there, and I didn't have the time to show all this movement, but now we see what we are doing. It's only too bright so as to be, yeah, because it's set for the other. Yeah. The more you stay like this, the more beauty in your eye, in your face, okay, for the sun.
Okay.
See, you see? Look at here. You see that it's different, the light on you?
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay, you see? We want something like this. So, face always the sun. Yeah. You gotta feel the sun in your face, that means you are well lit. Nice. Okay.
So moody, I like it.
Nice. Yeah, I like in black and white already. I like the light here, you know?
Yeah.
And you wanna try?
Yeah,
Let's see. Close.
I'm like scared.
Yeah, you wanna do yourself.
I'm gonna do it.
No. It's water, honey. Okay, so just a little the kiss. Okay, I understand. Yeah, understood. Yeah, now the great shape with your banana, right? Whoa. Okay, and now keep this, but release, right? Okay, let's see the shadow. So, we are in the middle of the shooting and we are getting small breaks. We were supposed to shoot a lot with the flashlight, but we ended up doing a lot with the natural light because we saw this beautiful light coming through the blinds, and
We kind of just went with the flow.
yeah,
But it started as one thing and then turned into something
right.
completely different. But the end product it's really cool.
It's cool. The importance of this, let's say, model test shooting, it's that these are simple. It's just you as a photographer, the model, and basically we are stripping off all the tension that you can have as a photographer on delivering something good, because we don't have any client to please, but also we don't have a big group of team people that expect something nice from all the effort that they put, which is always beautiful. I always think that shooting with other people and a team is always amazing, but sometimes, especially if you are new photographer and you want to improve yourself, find a model, find a muse, someone that inspires you in some way, someone that needs to build also the portfolio, and someone that you are not afraid to fail with. Experiment, try something.
Yeah, we were constantly readjusting
Yeah.
the pose, the lighting, like what's working, what's not working, and you just need to do that because you don't want to go back later and be like, oh.
Right. So we start from one point and then we ended up using another lighting, different style, and now we are keep going. So that's, I think it's a good concept.
Yeah.
Come.
This couldn't see.
The main lighting that I've been using, especially at the beginning of the process, is this one. As you can see, light on top of me, you see? Just touching like the almost the ceiling, and then that's her height. 2 feet maybe of distance from here, but mainly is a light that comes from the top and actually is working nice. And then now we're gonna try a new another outfit, still with the same light, and I may even change just to spice up the situation a little bit. Let's see. Ready? Yeah, put it back. Kind of. Wow, that was nice. Fast, bello, nice. Straight more like this. Nice. Bello. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, so I like the thing, so you're trying, pull. But pretend like, it's stuck on you.
No, that's like, that's really cool.
It's cool, it's different. We are adding another feature of you, more aggressive, more...
Yeah, I need more like aggressive,
right.
like...
Okay, this now it's late, we already finished, and I feel like things got wild, right?
You should see my outfit right now.
Okay, that's see her outfit. That's how she ended up being. But we did this wild that was a cool shot actually.
It was like animalistic.
It was, right? Cool. It was more animal. You pull out something different than usually. So, but we got a lot of cool shot there. I'm sure you saw already on the video. So stay tuned for another shooting, and say bye to everyone. And guys, and follow me if you like the thing.
Subscribe.
Follow me, right? Subscribe, follow, share, and leave a comment. Okay. Ciao.